Superfoods. It's a term that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, but what exactly are they? Well, simply put, superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These foods have been shown to provide numerous health benefits and are often considered to be a great addition to any diet. Now, you might be wondering, why should you eat superfoods? What sets them apart from regular foods? Well, one of the biggest reasons is their high nutritional content. Superfoods are often incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they contain a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function properly. By consuming superfoods, you're providing your body with a concentrated source of these nutrients, which can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Another benefit of superfoods is their antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals can accumulate in our bodies due to various factors like stress, pollution, and a poor diet. However, by incorporating superfoods into your diet, you can increase your intake of antioxidants, which can help combat the damaging effects of free radicals and reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Superfoods are also known for their potential to boost the immune system. Many superfoods, such as berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens, are rich in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for immune function. By regularly consuming superfoods, you can help strengthen your immune system and enhance its ability to fight off infections and illnesses. In addition to their nutritional and immune-boosting benefits, superfoods are also often associated with weight management. Many superfoods are low in calories but high in essential nutrients, making them a great option for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or even shed a few pounds. Including superfoods in your diet can help you feel fuller for longer, reduce cravings for unhealthy foods, and provide your body with the necessary nutrients to support a healthy metabolism. Superfoods have also been linked to improved brain function and mental health. Certain superfoods, such as fatty fish, nuts, and seeds, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. These fatty acids have been shown to support cognitive function, reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, and improve mood and overall mental well-being. By including these superfoods in your diet, you can give your brain the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Furthermore, superfoods can offer cardiovascular benefits. Many superfoods, like berries, dark chocolate, and nuts, are rich in compounds called flavonoids, which have been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. These flavonoids have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of blood clots. By incorporating these heart-healthy superfoods into your diet, you can support the overall health of your cardiovascular system. Lastly, superfoods can be a great way to add variety and deliciousness to your meals. There is an incredible range of superfoods available, from the more well-known ones like spinach, quinoa, and blueberries to the lesser-known ones like spirulina, goji berries, and chia seeds. By experimenting with different superfoods, you can discover new flavors, textures, and recipes that can make your meals exciting and enjoyable. In conclusion, superfoods are highly nutritious foods that offer a wide range of health benefits. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can provide your body with essential nutrients, boost your immune system, support weight management, improve brain function, enhance cardiovascular health, and add variety to your meals. So, why not give superfoods a try and see how they can positively impact your overall health and well-being?